As a Scrum Master, how do you support the product owner? A Scrum Master is very important in a Scrum team and can partner with the product owner to help support backlog refinement and also to ensure that the product owner is effectively communicating with the stakeholder to collect the requirement. As a Scrum Master, you're a coach and you're more of a leadership person. The product owner is more of a technical person. So you support the product owner with your leadership skills. Remember, as a Scrum Master, you don't coach the product owner because the product owner is technically trained on how to collect and manage data that comes into the backlog. Next time when you're asking a Scrum interview how you support your product owner, you know what to say. Follow my page for more info.